Welcome to my channel, Wildlife.
Green parrots are a diverse group of birds known for their vibrant green plumage, intelligence, and social nature. They belong mostly to the family Psittacidae and can be found in tropical. Popular species: Indian ringneck parrot, monk parakeet, Quaker parrot, and Amazon parrots. Diet: fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetables. Lifespan: many green parrots live 20 to 60 years in captivity. Intelligence: known for mimicking human speech and learning tricks. Habitat: forests, woodlands, and sometimes urban areas.
Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.